In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious chicken and dumpling soup recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 2 chicken breasts thinly sliced, 1 onion diced, half a bell pepper, 1½ cups of carrots, half a cup of flour, 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of parsley, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 bay leaves, half a teaspoon of thyme, and 1 can of biscuits. In a pot overheat, we're going to add in the oil. Add in the onions and sauté them. Add in the peppers and continue to sauté. Season with the salt. Add in the chicken and cook thoroughly. Add in the carrots. Create a hole in the center and add in the butter and melt the butter completely in the middle part. Add in 3 tablespoons of flour and we're going to mix it with the butter, and then we're going to combine this with the rest of the chicken and the carrots. Add in 6 cups of water. Season with the pepper, chicken bouillon, bay leaves, and thyme. We're going to cover it with a lid and let it simmer for 20 minutes. We're going to take the biscuits out of the can. Separate each of the biscuits and coat both sides of them with flour. We're going to use the spoon to cut pieces of the biscuit, and we're going to place them on a piece of parchment paper. Once the soup is boiling, we're going to take out the bay leaves. Add in the cut biscuits and we're going to cook them completely. Once cooked, remove from heat. Our chicken and dumpling soup is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.